When posting content to YouTube using your UC Berkeley account, you have the option to make your videos available only to users within the berkeley.edu domain. To begin, navigate to the YouTube homepage while logged into your Berkeley account and select your profile in the top right corner. Then, in the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once in the YouTube Studio, select Content from the left navigation pane. Then select the video you'd like to make available to UC Berkeley users. The video must be set to private, and if it's not already set to private, enter the visibility drop-down and select Private. After this, a Share Privately option will appear. Select it to open the Sharing Options window. Select the box which reads, Let everyone at berkeley.edu view, and then select Done. Select Done in the bottom right corner to save the video's new visibility settings, and then finally, select the blue Save button. Now your video will only be viewable to those with a UC Berkeley email address